Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Big E, and happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all my people out there watching this that are waiting to see who won those chains. Happy Thanksgiving to all you that are watching football that are stuffed right now. I might not even be wearing shorts right now because I'm so full. No, I'm just kidding. I'm wearing shorts, but I'm definitely full, guys. I'm still on the road to media me, but I'm definitely full. But it is actually Thanksgiving. This is going to go live in an hour, guys. This is not no edits or anything like that. But I am here on Thanksgiving to announce the winners, guys. And what better way to do it than live? So I have, oops, hang on a sec, guys. My watch just popped real quick over here. All right, so we are going to go right now to a random comment picker, which is right here. I don't want to do anything crazy with my phone because this camera be doing weird ass shit. So I am going to copy the URL to the Thanks giveaway video, guys. This is how it's going to go. And I am going to let this thing randomly pick a winner. We're going to do the machine made first, and then we're going to do the handmade second. So let's go to the Thanks giveaway video real quick, guys. Here we go. Let me copy this URL real quick. Hang on one second. Okay, Thanks giveaway. Copied. All right, guys, here we go. So for the 5.5 machine made, copy the link and pick a random YouTube comment. Let's go. And Lamont Loren looks like, those look like Versace frames, and them ropes are fire. Lamont Loren, actually a regular on the channel right here. Lamont Loren 367. Lamont Loren 367. Congratulations, my brother. You just won. You just won the machine-made 5.5 millimeter rope, and I'm going to give you guys instructions real quick. But now, guys, we are picking the winner of the handmade 5.5 millimeter rope. And the thievery right here, killer cap. The thievery right here. The thievery, you just won the 5.5 millimeter handmade rope. Congratulations to both of you guys. So both of you guys, what I need you to do is I need you to email me. I need you both to email my email on my YouTube page, my contact email, and I need you guys to copy info@lukezionjewelry.com, or guys, I don't know, just let me just make sure that's right or whatever it is. I think the info email is listed. If anything, just look on Luke Zion to make sure you have that info email proper. I might have just said it wrong. I just ate a hell of food, guys, so I don't know what I'm thinking right now. But congratulations to both of you. Thank you, everyone who participated. I'm sorry for all you guys that didn't win, but I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways, and the next giveaway I got going is going to be a big-ass giveaway, guys, with like 15 or 20 different winners. So they're not stopping here. Congrats on the two of you that won. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. And happy Thanksgiving to all you hating jive-ass turkeys also. Happy Thanksgiving to the haters also. We got to appreciate you too. This has been a quick one, guys, and it's been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.